What if I told you that every second you wait, fraudsters are stealing thousands from payment systems? But what if you could catch them instantly? Today, I'm showing you a workflow that analyzes transactions in real time and blocks fraud before it happens. And the best part? You can build this yourself in under an hour. Here's the scary truth. Traditional fraud detection is slow. By the time banks review suspicious transactions manually, the money is already gone. Payment fraud costs businesses billions every year, and criminals are getting smarter with account takeovers, stolen cards, and synthetic identities. But here's where it gets interesting. I built an instant payment fraud monitoring system using n8n, a powerful automation tool, and Azure Event Hub for lightning fast processing. This isn't just theory. This is a working system that processes transactions as they happen, analyzes them with AI, and takes action in milliseconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, check out this workflow. It looks complex, but I'll break it down step by step. Step 1. The webhook trigger. When a payment happens anywhere, your app, website, payment gateway, it hits our Azure Event Hub webhook instantly. Step 2. Workflow configuration. We configure the transaction data, customer ID, transaction amount, merchant details, location, device info, everything. Step 3. Prepare transaction data. Clean and format the data so our AI can understand it. Step 4. The AI brain. Here's the magic. We send this data to our fraud analysis AI agent, powered by Grok's chat model. It analyzes the transaction amount, location patterns, device fingerprints, and timestamps in real time. Step 5. Risk routing. Based on the AI's analysis, we route by risk level. Low risk, map a low risk response and let it through. Medium risk, flag it for quick review. High risk, map a high risk response and block immediately. Critical risk, full stop, alert the fraud team. Step 6. Output parsing and Event Hub response. We parse the fraud analysis output, prepare the Event Hub payload with all the evidence, send it back to Azure Event Hub for logging, and respond to the original webhook. Step 7. Final response. Format the final response that tells your system whether to approve or deny the transaction. Let me show you this in action. I'm using Postman to simulate a suspicious transaction. High amount? Check. Unusual location? Check. Different device? Check. Watch what happens. Bam! The system analyzed it, detected the fraud indicators, assigned a host review recommendation, and flagged it, all in under 2 seconds. The reason? Transaction amount unusually high and location is Delhi, which may indicate a potential fraud attempt. That's real-time fraud prevention working perfectly. So where can you use this? 1. Payment processors. Stop fraudulent payments before they're processed. 2. E-commerce platforms. Protect your customers from stolen credit cards and account takeovers. 3. Banking and fintech. Detect ACH fraud, wire transfer scams, and synthetic identity fraud instantly. 4. Subscription services. Catch stolen payment methods during sign-up. 5. Crypto exchanges. Monitor withdrawals for suspicious patterns. This workflow saves money, protects customers, and stops fraud in its tracks. And there you have it, a complete real-time fraud detection system using n8n and Azure Event Hub. If you want the workflow template, drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you want more automation content like this, and don't forget to like this video. It helps the algorithm show this to more people who need it. Now go build something amazing and stay one step ahead of the fraudsters. See you in the next one.